In this video, I'm doing a DIY and a lantern decor. So if you're interested in seeing what I'm doing, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello, I'm Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, and you're in the right place if you want to make decorating a bit easier on a budget. If so, then click that red subscribe button you see down below, then a bell will appear. Click that bell, and then click all. This way, you'll be notified each time I upload something new. Before we go on, why don't you go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up. It doesn't cost you anything to give me a thumbs up, and it really does help my channel. And then I would like for you to comment and share my videos. Now let's go on. Now today I am participating in an open invitation collaboration. Now this collaboration is entitled the Spring Lantern Challenge 2020. And it is hosted by a wonderful YouTube sister of mine, Kenya of Kenya's Decor Corner. If you haven't heard of Kenya, I will have a link to her channel along with the playlist when it becomes available down below in the description bar. Now Kenya had very simple rules, and her first rule was that you must use a lantern. It's a lantern challenge. Now she wants you to decorate a lantern for spring. She doesn't give you any specifics. She just wants you to decorate it. You can use it as part of your decoration, or you can decorate the lantern. It's up to you. She asks that you be subscribed to her channel, that you mention her channel in the video, and that you have fun. So if you want to know what I did for this lantern challenge, you know what to do. Stick around. Now I'm going to start off with my DIYs for the lantern challenge. Now I'll be using these beautiful orange lilies that were purchased at home. And they were $4.99 per bunch. Now I thought that was a beautiful color. Now the other items that I'm going to be using is this orange ribbon I picked up at Walmart. I cannot remember how much. And this thrift find mine, I bought it at Goodwill, and it was $2.99 when I purchased it. I'll be maybe using some of these pipe cleaners. I'll be using scissors, wire cutters, and maybe even my glue stick. I'm not sure, but maybe. There are my glue sticks as well. So I'm going to stop talking, and I'm just going to go ahead and do the DIY and show you how everything goes. Oh yeah, I forgot this ribbon. I picked this up at Michael's, and I picked up a wider one at Michael's as well. This was the only ribbon I found for Easter that had an orange spot or color of orange in it. Well, here is the finished product. I think it looks really cute this year. I am really loving these orange lilies. Now I put the orange lilies at the base and behind the rabbit, the larger one. And then the ribbon that I made is attached to the top. And in the center, I added the carrots. So going over to the second one, same way with the small rabbit inside, a smaller one, and the lilies. And then I pulled out the old study, the spring sign, and then I did add some carrots to the plate, as you do see. So I'm going to give you an overview of the lantern, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't gone already to check out creativelymissme.com, check out my blog, where I have created forms to make planning easier for home organization and for content creators. Make sure you sign up for the quickest updates.